I want to ask him some questions because he plays Somali music now.
Yeah.
Could you ask him, how different,
How is it different?
Oh, yeah.
He's my guitarist.
Why don't I have you introduce yourself real quick, too?
I'm Deevo. I play guitar for Nemo currently. So I'm just a working musician.
Right on.
And he's a good guitar player.
I'm still learning Somali music. We had like a very short time of trying to learn everything to get ready for the shows and everything. And what I did was I was listening to it, and there's a lot of music that I play as a musician, a lot of different styles. And so there are a lot of different elements that I was hearing from all the different things that I play. So, I play a lot of reggae, I play a lot of R&B, I play a lot of pop, and I played some Turkish music. And I was hearing all those elements in there. And then there was other things I just had to learn.
You're like, what's that? Yeah.
Well, the phrasing has been different. A lot of times her phrasing, or I guess Somali phrasing, will be in odd numbers. So we as Americans, we tend to think in even numbers. And so a lot of times you're thinking like, oh, I've got this is simple. And then you don't have it. It's not simple. So, and then the other, not problem, but the other challenge is because there's a language barrier, And so usually as a musician, I'll follow the music by listening to the lyrics. That's how I know where I am in the song. And at first, it was hard because I don't understand the language yet. Yeah. But after playing it over and over, there's certain things I've started to come like, oh, I know where she is now. So it's just like anything else. The more you play it, the more you start to understand it. And once you start to understand it, it's going to show up in my other work.
Yep.
Because that's what I usually do is everything that I learn, I end up putting it somewhere else. So
absolutely.
I throw reggae and rock and roll. I'm sure I'll throw Somali music and R&B. That's just what I do.
قلبي قاعد ما حدته كمرني وياه